You call it. No, you call it. You're gonna decide.
Ako.
Heads or tails? Oh, tails. Your tails. Okay, so tails. Okay ba? So we have meron tayong customer guys. So we're gonna have a coin flip. Okay, heads or tails. Ano lang naman to for white geared resin. 1K lang naman, 20,000. Pag manalo sir, 21 pag manalo tayo. Okay. Best of 3. Yeah, best of 3. So our customer, sir, what's your name?
Shota.
Shota. Okay, Shota. Okay, from Japan.
Oh.
So your tails,
Oh, okay.
I'm heads.
Okay.
Okay. Best of 3. Okay, let's go.
Bate na!
Heads. Oh, 1-0. 1-0. Nakita mo ba? Nakita mo ba?
That's
1-0.
1 win.
1 pa lang.
1 point for our
Let's go. Sorry.
No.
See?
Heads.
Heads! Ano? Dosi! Marunong mag-curse words! One more. Let's see.
Tails.
Tails!
Okay!
Parang ang point! Parang same to last time
Nakatuon.
Naka-pressure eh. Let's go.
Tails!
Ito na naman! All two guys.
Last, di ba?
Last.
Okay.
Any last
Mag-change
change?
or hindi?
Hindi. Okay, let's go.
Final countdown.
Let's go!
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for being a good sport. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Lalo tayo guys, 21.
Okay.